Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We are at another kitchen job. This was a complete kitchen remodel. We also took out a load-bearing wall that separated this kitchen from the dining room here. And we've got brand new cabinets. We've got all the recessed lighting. We've got under cabinet lights you can see that are on. We've got a nice big single sink, obviously all new appliances. This is a maple floor that still has to be sanded and finished off. But you can kind of see the whole effect here. We've got a few little trim pieces here. Nice, beautiful quartz countertops here. We have a freestanding hood up there, and we have taken the same material from the countertop and brought it up as part of the splash up all the way, and it's got a very, very nice effect. And you can see what we've done here with the windowsill. This is a really nice kind of detail. Carry the splash material up over here, and we have some other things to be done. The wall plates are going to get a designer color. We've got a couple of samples here. They're kind of a light brown, so they'll blend in. And what else do we have here? That's it. So this is a brand new kitchen. This is what I call a breakfast bar, by the way. It's something I want to point out. When I call it a breakfast bar, this has a counter here. It's got a raised piece here. You can or cannot have a little overhang. It doesn't really matter. That's just really more of a detail. And then you can put stools out here to eat. And the nice part about this is you can be prepping and having food here, and people can still be up here, and they don't have to have all of the mess from the countertop in their face. That's the problem with a continuous straight counter, is all of the preparation and stuff kind of flows into the room, and it's kind of hard to have a little zoning. So anyway, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another kitchen remodel. So give us a call at bayareacontractor.com. Find us on Yelp, Better Business Bureau, all the great places. We have a great reputation. If you want a quality contractor, give us a call.